How to find your Steam ID. The very first thing you want to do is to head over to your Steam launcher, or you can open up the site in any of the web browser. Once you open up the Steam launcher, you have to make sure that you are logged into a specific account. Simply enter your email address and the password, and you will be signed into your account. Now click on the icon at the top right corner, and then you have to navigate to account details. It will land you on this interface. And this little text right here, the URL for your profile followed by the number, is actually your Steam ID. Well, the other way to check in is by going into your account details, and where I'm covering the certain area, it contains my Steam ID. If you're on the web browser, it's a similar process as it is right here. So that's all for today, and this was a tutorial video on how to find your Steam ID. Make sure to smash the like button and consider subscribing if you found this video helpful. We'll see you in the next one.